it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Today we are with 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Dadon. Yeah, man. 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Dadon with People's Choice. And guess what today is, guys? Today is my birthday, you know. Today is my birthday. So, if you can drop in the super thanks in the comment section and say happy birthday, that'll be nice. If you can't drop it, that's alright. Same way. You can say happy birthday, same in the comment section. So, once you watch the video, say happy birthday. Yeah. Yes. So, happy birthday to me again. Once you watch the video, say happy birthday. 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Dadon. Yeah, man. People's Choice. Let's get it. They go Spice and the teacher.
A Jamaican nation me represent. Them take we fi fool but we intelligent. System corrupt, same government. Me rather trust cartel than parliament. The dirty thinking politician them no love we. Where them a do to poor people a fuckery. The money.
Why you do it, John? Why you do it, John?
He must say it. He must chat about things. 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Dadon. People's Choice again.
A Jamaican nation me represent.
Yeah.
Them take we fi fool but we intelligent.
Sure.
System corrupt, same government.
Yeah.
Me rather trust cartel than parliament.
Teacher.
The dirty thinking politician them no love we. Where them a do to poor people a fuckery.
Yeah, man, the dirty thinking smell bad. Nah, be 7 days cabbage water, no. 14 days cabbage water, them pussy, them nah be, them think. Them no love we. Look what them a do to the nation. That's what the G said, not me.
Dirty thinking politician them no love we.
No.
Where them a do to poor people a
Fuckery.
The money where them get for the country. We know them a go take time to fit out monthly. We know.
Yeah. Achoo. And as soon as I tell you, say, it's facts. The money where them get for the hurricane relief, you know, say them are going to thief out some more tight, no. You know, say everybody now get what them supposed to get, no. You know, say them are going to thief out. And even if a PMP was in power, them that do the same thing. Me never voted in my life yet, so me not have no political affiliation. Big words, affiliation. Blood clot. Me not have none. So I show the G attack. Yeah, the fuck of them thief, crooked. White collar, blue collar criminals.
Money where them get for the country. We know them a go take time to fit out monthly.
Sure.
We know none of them no love us. Who no lock up 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and give without us. This a no scandal back, this a crocus.
Yo, the man said no lock up 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 on this and give it back Dodos. Lock up 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and free up Dodos. Yeah, man, Dodos are the only president. Yes. This is no scandal back, this a crocus.
Lock up 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐑 and give without us. This a no scandal back, this a crocus.
Crocus back.
After you say trust us, everything.
Crocus bag. For those are the younger ones who don't know what a crocus bag is. Crocus bag is a bag where you carry feeding in. Crocus bag, the feeding. Like hog feeding and chicken feeding and them feeding there. Crocus bag that. I can go a bit further and the brown cloth bag them will have like the peanut and them thing there. Where you see the peanut cat man them have? Yeah, a crocus bag that too.
Scandal bag, this a crocus. Who no push we now after, you say trust us. Everything where you see go on what yeah, is because 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐑 signed the paper. You see the treasurer, he is a traitor. So give the treasure to the dancehall savior.
Bumbo clock. 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 attack, you know. Him attack.
It's because 𝐿𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐑
Sign the paper.
You see the treasurer, he is a traitor. So give the treasure to the dancehall savior. Let world boss fix back the country. If it's not world boss, then give we bounty.
Curse, blood clot, but hey, youth. If it's not world boss, I'm me if you run it. I boy. Poor people governor from then till now. Nothing not change. How I'm to you. Big up all our foundation. The big up all the artists them do this. Big up all the normal people and we are going to help same way. Yeah. Just imagine this. Just imagine all the people them that is influential and non-influential same way. We put $1 to giving back to the people them. Big up Drizzy Burke and film team. We see them do. We see various amount of people are do it. People are fly down. Imagine those people. Put them aside. Nobody no put nothing. What would the government be doing? How would these people be living even to the day? Yes, we understand that there's procedures have to be put in place and all that. Yes, but it's a fucking urgency. It's an emergency. So you need to do it quick and fast. Yeah.
World boss fix back the country. If it's not world boss, then you be bunty.
Yes.
We can't trust politicians, them a fuckery. We the people a chance who love we. Just world boss fix back the country. If it's not world boss, then you be bunty. We can't trust politicians, them a fuckery. We the people a chance who love we. Just me SP out 11.4 billion. And we now see a dollar in a few years. The 2030 agenda is a real plan. Fi Babylon slave man a cartel did setting tough around here. Emergency, we are suffer around here. The glass clear, what's pouring out here. Everybody have IC, you don't care. You see and ball can't get back him money y'all know. You think so we blind, we see what want yo.
Bombo clat, him attack, you know. Him attack. Even though you see and ball can't get back him money y'all know. We see you see and ball down the on the ground. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Bolt. We see up on the ground, my J.
And ball can't get back him money y'all know. You think so we blind, we see what want yo.
Alright, hold on. Big up all of the people them we do it in silence too, we not video it. Big up the people them we not videoing it. Big up the people them we are do it without no wanting no highlights. Big up them people there too.
And ball can't get back him money y'all know. You think so we blind, we see what want yo. How you are treat poor people like cow. Come on, my people, no rise up now. Let world boss fix back the country.
And so we not treat poor people like cow, like animal. We not treat poor people like dog. Even dog get better treatment than some of the people them. Big up all the artists them. Too much on the name for call. Big up all the artists them we push a foot.
If it's not world boss, then you we bunty. We can't trust politicians, them a fuckery. Give the people a chance who love we. Trust world boss, fix back the country. If it's not world boss, then you we bunty. We can't trust politicians, them a fuckery. Give the people a chance who love we. Trust me. This a something government plan. Send Melissa fi mash up the island. The Andrew sell we out to the white man, but tell them me now sell my land.
Oh, man say nah sell him land. And just sell you out to the white man, but in 𝐿G tell us say yo him nah sell him land. Yes, and him land title no blow away neither. Land title no blow away, him still have it.
White man, but tell them me now sell my land. Bodies a stink, down a Westmoreland. Tear fall like rain, fancy sun. Can't trust politician, policeman. Pastor nor deacon, them a thief and.
Yeah man, where them a thief? The fact say body still gets found. They dead to it right now. Currently doing this video the 12th of November. Last time here was 45 people dead because of Melissa. You see me? So people are dropped. People, them still are find bodies, bro. Them still are find. There's people that still unaccounted for. Big words, unaccounted. There's people that still unaccounted for, bro. Like seriously.
World boss are the real man. Donate more than US and England. Them give 2, him give 5 million. Him no love thief, him do action.
Yeah, man, him no love thief, him do action. So, the UK did first give $2.5 million. So he must say, yo, UK give 2, like them give 2, Girl Boss give 5. So him double that plus more pan top it.
Action. Let world boss
fix back the country.
If it's not world boss, then you
nah bunty.
We can't trust politicians,
them a fuckery.
Give the people a chance who love we.
Fix back the country.
If it's not world boss, then
you we bunty.
We can't trust politicians,
them a fuckery.
Give the people a chance who love we. Trust me. Open your eyes and see the plan clear. Babylon system, every foot unfair. World boss for the people. We still here if we fix back the country.
Fix back the country. Sir. Buckler, 𝐿G the Dan, bro. This powerful, bro. This powerful. Pack up like the ark. Pack up like the ark with no full. Yo, the man say, yo, make world boss fix back the country, brother. Cause the politician them are fuckery like fuckery. Big fuckery. Yeah. So That song him talk a bag of thing. Him talk to them take where you see him boat money and all. No boat not get back him money. Him talk a bag of things, you know, brother. And I true, you know, bro. Cause I don't hear no announcement about boat money yet. Jano, the G lick in nail pan. No, wife with the lick. The G smack the nail pan the head. He smack the nail pan the head. So like me say, big up the people who push a foot publicly and big up the people who push a foot privately. Same way, big up on yourself. Continue putting out the good work. Continue doing back. Big up man like Massacre. Yeah, big up Law Boss them. Big up Silk Boss. We see Silk Boss on the ground same way. You see me? Big up Spice them. You see me? Big up Malidan. We see Malidan on the ground same way. Big up Vado. We see Vado on the ground. Of course, Cartel there. Of course, Spice there. Big up Romish them from. Yo, too much people get big up. Big up everybody we push a foot here, man. You see me? Let me know what you guys think about this on the comment section. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up your fucking self, my G. Yeah, man. Like me say, I'm a birthday today, so wish me happy birthday. And if you can send a super thanks, send a super thanks. Alright? Catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.
Yeah, Rars game, but I review your feisty dog. Feisty, you fuck.